In this video, I'm going to be sharing 100 remote work companies that are always hiring work from home jobs. And you're going to want to make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to have a detailed, free 115-page report that outlines all of these companies, their Glassdoor data, their salary ranges, the fastest growing job titles and industries for the remote work realm, and so much more. And best of all, you're going to have one-click access to the hiring pages for all of these remote work companies. My name's Mike Swigunski. I'm a best-selling author and remote work entrepreneur that's been working and traveling in over 100 countries. During this time, I even helped build one of America's fastest growing remote companies from my laptop and was recently voted by Remote.com as a remote expert. I've been on both sides of the hiring process, and my main goal for this video is to make the process easier for people to find and build a high-paying remote life. In this video, I'll be breaking down the best remote work companies that are always hiring remote employees, have high six-figure salaries, and top-notch ratings on popular review sites like Glassdoor. Before we jump in, let's take a look at the criteria I've used over the past 6 months of compiling all of these details. Here's the criteria and process I use to rank the top 100 remote companies that are hiring work from home jobs. My ranking process combines various factors including company size, longevity of the company, growth trends, and remote worker benefits, average salary data, and important insights and reviews from Glassdoor ratings. All these factors had different weights to determine who are the top remote work companies. Now, these companies are looking for people all around the world, and you're going to want to stick around to the end because you're going to get the exact link to find this free report that I put together. Starting off at the #1 best remote company is a company called XTeam. XTeam is an international company founded in Melbourne, Australia, that helps companies scale their development teams by providing them with motivated teams of developers from around the world. They're 100% remote and believe in building a world where developers can have access to an environment of growth and incredible opportunities regardless of where they live. On average, they have a high salary range starting around $75,000 per year and were founded in 2004 with around 150 to 200 remote employees. They've got all 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. They're 100% recommended by friends and 100% approved of the CEO. Moving on to the second company is another interesting company called Modern Tribe. Modern Tribe is a rapidly growing digital agency with a modern twist. They believe in making quality products for other people and themselves, balanced by living quality lives. They develop custom solutions for some of the world's top companies, higher education institution, government agencies, and startup. Now, they have a 5-star review on Glassdoor, have high-paying jobs starting from over 6 figures, and were founded in 2006. They have around 80 to 100 remote employees and are continuing to hire more remote employees as we speak. Moving on to company #3 is Groove. Now, this is a very groovy company because they are a leading sales engagement platform that makes account-based revenue teams more efficient and effective at finding, landing, and renewing revenue. Groove delivers a 10x productivity boost to your most expensive and valuable resources, allowing them to spend more time building relationships and generating revenue. More than 40,000 SDRs and CSMs use Groove at some of the world's fastest growing companies, including Google, Uber, Atlassian, Tiplati, and Capital One. With 5 stars on Glassdoor, 100% approval rate of the CEO, they were founded in 2014, have between 100 to 150 employees, and are based in San Francisco. They definitely have a higher salary range starting just over $100,000 per year in average salary. Coming in at #4 is AwardForce. Now, AwardForce is the leader in award management software used by organizations from around the world to recognize excellence in their field. With quality data, security, and innovation throughout their software, their clients are backed by a global support team whose sole purpose is to give peace of mind and help clients on making their awards the best they can be. With all 5-star reviews on Glassdoor, they have around 40 to 50 employees and starting around $100,000 per year in salary. Awardforce was founded in 2013 and they're based in San Francisco, California, but have all remote employees. Moving on to number 5 is a company called DataQuest. They're very interesting because DataQuest teaches data science through analyzing real-world data and building projects. Their approach helps students deeply explore and learn concepts in an exciting way. Their students have been hired by leading companies like SpaceX, Amazon, Microsoft, and Facebook. With all 5-star reviews on Glassdoor, they're an e-learning platform that was founded in 2015, has around 60 to 70 employees, and has a pretty high base salary with around $140,000 per year. Moving on to number 6 is Fleeto. They're a 5-star rated company on Glassdoor and is proudly headquartered in Birmingham, Alabama. Fleeto launched in January 2012, and today thousands of people use their modern software platform to manage their vehicles, equipment, parts, drivers, and more. Over the years, they've worked with fleets of 10 vehicles to many of thousands, and currently have over 2,000 customers in 70 countries around the world. Now, they were founded in 2012, have over 100 employees, and have high-paying salaries and openings with over 6 figures per year. Moving on to number 7 is a company called Pressible. Pressible is a WordPress hosting for businesses and developers who expect more. Pressible combines the most reliable WordPress hosting infrastructure with outstanding support, making publishing with WordPress effortless. With all 5-star reviews on Glassdoor, they were founded in 2010, have around 40 to 50 remote employees, and have a high-paying salaries upwards to 6 figures. Moving on to number 8 is a company called Waldo. Waldo Photos is a photo finding platform empowering consumers to toss their selfie sticks, put their phones back in their pockets, and live in the moment. Waldo is the only platform that removes all the friction of getting photos of you taken by others and creates new opportunities for photographers to market and sell their photos. With all 5-star reviews on Glassdoor, they were founded in 2015, have between 40 to 50 employees, and have salary openings upwards to 6 figures per year. Moving on to number 9 is Simple Texting. Simple Texting is the easiest way to send messages to customers, employees, or anyone else you need to reach. Trusted by Fortune 500 companies and small businesses alike, their user-friendly platform lets your team take advantage of the power of SMS. With all 5-star reviews on Glassdoor, they were founded in 2010, have between 40 to 50 employees, and have high-paying remote positions open right now. Last but not least is a company called Shogun. Shogun is a powerful drag-and-drop page builder for e-commerce websites. They have seamlessly integrated with Shopify, BigCommerce, and a variety of other platforms. You can easily build variants of the same page and run A/B tests to see which variant produces a higher conversion rate. Shogun was founded in 2015, has between 150 to 200 remote employees, and they're always looking for new remote work opportunities, paying upwards to 6 figures per year. Now, in conclusion, I just wanted to make this video to show you that there is so many remote work opportunities that can pay upwards to 6 figures a year. And if you want to access the 115-page free report, all you have to do is visit globalcareerbook.com/top-100. I'll leave a link below in the description, and I'll leave a few more videos here in the corner if you're interested in leveling up your remote life and making a 6-figure income from anywhere in the world. Thanks again, and don't forget to download the free ebook while it's still there.